Hey Sarah, you look stressed.
Hi, Jane, I really am.
What's going on? Tell me.
Emergency trip to headquarters tonight, suddenly.
Oh no, that's so sudden.
Yes, very unexpected and quite stressful.
Did something urgent happen at work?
A client issue needs fixing immediately.
I see. When's your flight?
No direct flights available tonight, sadly.
Only connecting flights then, I guess?
Yes, with one layover in San Francisco.
How long is the layover stop?
Just 1 hour. It's manageable though.
Good. Did you book the flight?
Not yet. I will soon.
Want me to help book?
That would be really helpful, Jane.
Okay, give me flight details now.
I'll send them to your email.
Got them. Booking it right away.
Thank you so much, truly appreciate.
Always here to help you, friend.
You're the best. Seriously, thank you.
Do you need airport ride, Sarah?
No, I'll drive and park.
You sure that's not too tiring?
A little, but I'll manage fine.
Don't forget to rest later, okay?
I'll try my best. Promise that.
Did you pack everything already, Sarah?
Not yet. I still feel scattered.
Make a list. That always helps.
Great idea. I'll do that now.
Want to check the weather forecast?
Oh yes. I almost forgot that.
Looks like rain tomorrow in California.
I'll pack my umbrella then, thanks.
Bring light clothes too, it's warm.
Light clothes, umbrella. Got it noted.
Do you have business documents packed?
Not yet, I'll print them now.
Good idea. Double check them later.
I'll check and back them up.
Smart. Better safe than sorry, right?
Absolutely. I can't mess this up.
You'll do great. I believe that.
Thanks. That means so much, Jane.
Are you nervous about the meeting?
Yes, a little bit. It's important.
Practice your key points out loud.
I'll rehearse them during the layover.
Perfect. Use that time wisely, friend.
I will. Your support helps me.
That's what friends are for, Sarah.
I'm lucky to have you, Jane.
Same here. We lift each other.
Did I forget anything essential though?
Let's double check together. That's smart.
Okay. Clothes, documents, umbrella, charger, passport.
Don't forget your laptop and adapter.
Oh no. Thank you for that.
You're welcome. Anything else for work?
Business cards. I'll pack those now.
See? Lists really do help, right?
Yes, my brain feels calmer now.
You'll feel better once you're packed.
I agree. Packing makes it real.
Have you eaten anything today, Sarah?
Not really. I forgot to eat.
You need energy for the trip.
I know. I'll grab something soon.
I can bring food for you.
Really? That would be so kind.
I'm heading out. Sandwich okay, friend?
Yes, a sandwich sounds perfect now.
I'll be back in 10 minutes.
Thank you. I'll keep packing meanwhile.
And maybe drink some water too.
I'm filling my bottle right now.
Great. Stay hydrated on this trip.
Yes, flying always dries me out.
Bring lip balm and lotion too.
You always think of everything, Jane.
Years of travel made me wise.
I'll learn from you one day.
You're doing great already, honestly.
Sometimes I feel overwhelmed though.
That's normal. Just take small steps.
Step by step feels more manageable.
Exactly. One thing at a time.
I'm glad I'm not alone today.
You never are. I'm right here.
Your words comfort me so much.
That's what friends do, always support.
I wish I could repay you.
Just fly safely. That's enough, Sarah.
I'll message when I arrive there.
Yes, keep me updated, please.
I will. I promise you that.
Do you need headphones for flight?
Yes. I almost forgot about those.
Pack them now before you forget.
Done. Headphones are in my backpack.
Bring gum too. Helps your ears.
That's a great travel tip, thanks.
Any snacks for the plane ride?
Just granola bars. I'll grab fruit.
Smart choice. Fruit keeps you fresh.
Hope I can sleep on flight.
Try to rest during layover too.
I'll find a quiet spot there.
Keep valuables in carry-on, not suitcase.
Will do. Carry-on is all set.
You're more prepared than you think.
Thanks to you. You've helped tons.
I'm always happy to help, Sarah.
You've made my day a lot better.
And you'll have a good trip.
I feel more confident going now.
That's the spirit. You've got this.
I'll do my best, promise that.
Remember, calm voice and clear mind.
Yes, I'll breathe deeply and smile.
Exactly. Smile and speak with confidence.
I wrote notes on key points.
Review them once before landing, okay?
I'll read them on the plane.
That's a great idea for focus.
I feel more organized already now.
Amazing how preparation eases the nerves.
It really helps. I'm thankful, Jane.
Grateful hearts travel lighter, remember that.
I love that. So true.
You'll shine at the meeting tomorrow.
I hope everything goes smoothly there.
Think positive. Visualize success and calm.
I'll keep that in my heart.
Flight leaves in 3 hours, right?
Yes, I should leave soon too.
Need help carrying bags downstairs, maybe?
No, I can handle it okay.
Let me know if you don't.
I'll call you if I struggle.
Good. Always better to be safe.
I've never done this alone before.
First time is always the hardest.
But I'll grow from this experience.
And you'll return even stronger, Sarah.
I already feel a little braver.
You're becoming a real travel warrior.
Warrior sounds strong. I like that.
Strong and graceful. Just like you.
I needed to hear that today.
Your courage is showing right now.
You've reminded me of my strength.
That strength will carry you far.
My suitcase is finally zipped now.
Great job. You're almost ready now.
Just waiting for you with sandwich.
Here it is. Your favorite kind.
You are amazing. Thank you, Jane.
You're welcome. Eat it before leaving.
I will. Then head to airport.
Message when you check in, alright?
I'll send a photo too, promise.
Safe travels. You've prepared so well.
I'll remember everything you taught me.
You're going to do amazing, friend.
I'm ready now. Truly ready, Jane.
I'm proud of you. Always am.
Hugs before I leave, please?
Big hug. Come here, brave friend.
I'll miss you this weekend, Jane.
I'll miss you too, travel safe.
Goodbye. For now. Thanks again, everything.
Goodbye, my friend. See you soon.
I'll be back with good news.
Can't wait to hear it all.
Talk soon. Off to the airport.